Ever pondered the power of LinkedIn as a marketing tool? You're not alone. In the bustling world of social media, LinkedIn often emerges as a platform with untapped potential. Today, we delve into the realm of LinkedIn marketing strategies, unlocking the secrets to success in this professional networking space. Step 1. Understand your objectives. The journey to LinkedIn marketing success begins with knowing your goals. Are you seeking brand awareness, customer engagement, lead generation? The objectives you set will shape the strategies you employ. Step 2. Create a compelling company page. Your company page is your brand's LinkedIn home. It's where your story begins. Make it compelling. Share your brand's mission, highlight your unique selling points, and keep it updated with fresh, relevant content. Step 3. Optimize for search. LinkedIn, like other platforms, has its own search algorithm. Use relevant keywords in your company page's description and posts. This increases your visibility, making it easier for potential clients or customers to find you. Step 4. Leverage LinkedIn's unique features. Showcase pages, for instance, allow you to spotlight specific aspects of your business, while sponsored content lets you target your posts to specific audiences. Use these features to your advantage to maximize your reach. Step 5. Engage, engage, engage. LinkedIn is a networking platform after all. Participate in discussions, respond to comments, and interact with other users. This not only builds relationships, but also increases your brand's visibility. Step 6. Analyze and adjust. LinkedIn provides a wealth of analytics to help you understand how your content is performing. Use this data to adjust your strategy, ensuring your efforts are as effective as possible. To wrap up, remember the 6 steps to LinkedIn marketing success. Understand your objectives. Create a compelling company page. Optimize for search. Leverage LinkedIn's unique features. Engage with your audience, and analyze and adjust based on performance data. LinkedIn marketing, when done right, can be a powerful tool in your business's arsenal. Harness its potential and watch as it transforms your brand's presence in the professional networking space.